Hi, my name is Justin, and welcome to the 60-Second Help Desk. Today we're going to learn how to set up our own voicemails. If we come over here to our hosted portal and log in, we can hit the Messages tab. We can go over here to Settings. And down here under Greetings, you'll see any voicemail greetings you might already have. You see, I have two of them here. I set up a new one just to show you that you can swap back and forth on the fly. But if you need to record a new one, let's go ahead and hit the speaker button down here. We'll go down here where it says Add Greeting. And then up here we can hit Record. We need to name our greeting. I'm going to call it Holiday. Call me at. This is where you're going to get a phone call to record this greeting. You can put in your extension, like I have here, or you can type in your cell phone number and have it call you at your cell phone. Click Call. You're then going to get a call. It's going to say, please leave a message after the tone. Anything you say there is going to become your voicemail greeting. Now, if you still need to do this in an analog way, what you can do is pick up your phone and hit the voicemail button and hit option 6 and then option 1 to be able to start recording your messages.